Match substrings between multiple data frames and some weighted value in separate column. I'm trying to categorize a list of strings called keywords based on whether they contain one or more substrings from another data frame. The substring is weighted so that at the end each keyword has a weight in approximately 4 columns. These columns will be called loan, mortgage, accounts, and cards. I've attempted to use join, concat and merge to join multiple data frames, as well as attempting to use where, ishin and contains. I've come close a few times to achieve my desired goal but thwarted either by errors or scalability. I have limited experience with Python and pandas, so there may be a completely different approach that I've not considered. In the above code I'm loading up my list of keywords including an associated search volume. It currently has no loan column, so I've added one with the default value set to 0. Below, I have another data frame that includes a list of terms and an associated weighting. I've arbitrarily picked an integer of 5 that I would like added to the existing total. There is a problem that I have spotted but don't know how to resolve. My list includes both loan and loans. It is fine for me to have these duplicates on my end. However, row 3 has a value of short-term loans and is marked as false. Since the term loan and loans both appear in short-term loans, I would have expected it to be marked as true. I've tried reversing the .ishin statement so that I'm searching df2 terms in df keywords, but the result came out the same. Lastly, once we fix this Boolean issue, I don't know how to vectorize a sum change in df loan, based on matches. I'm trying to avoid for loops because I'm expecting the keyword list to include around 100,000 plus rows and each category data frame may include 1,000 terms. The desired output would look something like this.
Considering the df1 as you can take help of series.str.extract and df.assign. We can do something like output edit to find all matching strings. Let's update df2 as df2.log5 equals term 3 just for testing. Then using series.str.findall
Here's a way to find the amount of matches. This might help you more in the right direction. First, explode our strings to separate rows using this function. Then we use the difflib module to get the closest matches, for example loan with loans. Then we group the on the index to get our original data frame back and count the length of the matches. Only thing left is to multiply the count with the weight and you got what you want.
Jo, vänta Trevor. Det här sätter en Substring.